Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It's a nice, lovely morning out today and pretty chilly too, actually. But that's not going to stop us from going on a little walk this morning to the Santa Fe Recreational Dam and also to do something a little special. So let's head on over. Alrighty friends, there you have it, our morning walk along the Santa Fe Dam recreational area. It is located in Irwindale, California, which is about 30 minutes from Los Angeles. So if you want to get away from the city and just kind of relax a little bit towards inland, the recreation area is definitely for you. The bike trail actually that we were walking on extends all the way up to the mountains and down back. So if you want to go riding your bike there, it's a great place for it, as well as walking and of course running. And it was pretty nice to actually feed some of the ducks while we were there. We fed them some corn and chopped apples, which is a great alternative to bread, which can be disruptive to the birds' digestive system. So they do love their fruits and veggies. And it's a great area too if you just want to go on a picnic or enjoy some time there by the lake. I think during the spring and summer months they do have some paddle boats you can rent, so if you want to go out on the lake to enjoy the water. Special thanks to my good friend Becca for suggesting this little morning out. It was definitely a much needed breather and relaxation, and to be able to feed some ducks at the same time. And for those of you watching, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had a really good time as well and enjoyed a few moments of the outdoor nature at the same time. So with that, I will leave you here until the next adventure. But please, if you do like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures just like this next time. And until then, I'll probably put the Santa Barbara trip right around here, so if you want to click on that and watch some more adventures, go right on ahead. But until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you all next time. Take care.